Hey everyone! Are you wondering when and how you can benefit from the BLUM token? Do you want to maximize your earnings before the official listing? Today, we're diving deep into the BLUM Bot, its listing date, how it works, and the best ways to collect as many BLUM tokens as possible in a short period of time. Plus, I'll share some tips to help you make the most of this bot. Let's get started. Let's begin with the most pressing question. When will BLUM be listed? Based on recent updates, the tentative listing date is September 20th. This could shift slightly, but that's the target for now. This means we have less than 20 days to gather as many BLUM tokens as possible. If you're new to the bot, don't worry. You can easily collect at least 50,000 BLUM tokens during this time. I'll include the bot link in the video description, where you can access the bot directly. One crucial thing to note is that BLUM, just like Notecoin and Dogs, is backed by the Ton network. This means bots supported by this network have a strong track record with airdrops on major exchanges. As of now, there's no official confirmation about a Binance listing, but it's very likely. If you look at the Ton coin, it was recently listed on Binance, which boosts the chance that BLUM could follow the same path. Since all three coins, Notecoin, Dogs, and BLUM, are supported by the Ton network, there's a positive outlook. If you're looking to get the most out of the BLUM bot, here are the key things to keep in mind. First, daily login is very important. Don't miss a day because this helps you earn more tokens. Every day you log in, you get the chance to earn additional BLUM. Second, there are tasks available in the bot and they're not difficult. Completing these simple tasks will help you earn more tokens. Be sure to finish the temporary tasks first, as they could expire soon. Third, you can link your wallet on TonKeeper to be ready for airdrops and any future updates. I'll leave a link in the description with instructions on how to easily connect your wallet. The best way to increase your BLUM tokens is through referrals. The more active friends you invite to the bot, the higher the rewards you'll receive. So invite your friends and family members to join the bot as they can earn as well. Another important tip: make sure to use the available cards in the bot's game regularly. Before the token is listed, there will likely be a high demand on the bot, which could cause delays or crashes. So finish the tasks and use the cards as soon as possible to avoid missing out. There's a possibility that the total supply of BLUM could increase to 50 or even 100 billion tokens, and there might be a burning of zeros. If there's no burn, BLUM's price could range between $0.004 and $0.006, which is a good figure considering the total supply. In short, the BLUM token has a lot of potential, and if you're new to the bot, now is the best time to join and collect tokens before the listing date. Don't miss the opportunity, and use the tips I've shared to gather as many tokens as possible. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.